Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter one more time in Dallas, Texas, and I am in my back office Power Lead system, and I'm about to create a subdomain, and I would like for you to just join in with me and just watch the way that I have fun with this marketing system. I don't just make an extra income. I have fun with this, and I love making my YouTube videos as well. So what we're going to do here, you have to have an account to do this now. You can start out with Lead Lightning, one-time $7 fee. That would start you off. You will have a capture page, and you will have an autoresponder that will send your messages out to promote your business. Right here you got referral link A, which would promote Lead Lightning, and once a person buy from your site for $7, you get $6 out of that $7. And the referral link B is the one that promotes your Lead Lightning and your primary business, whatever it may be. You can use A or B. And once a person click on this and put in their information, their email address or their name, they will start receiving messages on your behalf. Now, right here is Traffic Monsoon. That's what I'm promoting through the Power Lead system front end page. Now, I have numerous of subdomains that I use. So I'm going to go through these steps of showing you how I create my subdomains or my lead capture page. Right here, I want to hover over websites, and I want to go down to domains and subdomains, and I'm going to view all of them. And it's going to take me there, and this is all of my subdomains right here that I have created. Let's choose one right quick so you can see an example of what I'm talking about. This is one of the first pages I made right here. And when a person look at this, leverage $7 into thousands monthly. New $7 funnel turns your leads into $526 commission. Click here for free instant access, and they would click there. They would put their email address, their first name, and their email address there. And if this was you with the Lead Lightning $7 one-time fee, when they put their information in there, then they would start receiving messages from you, from the system on your behalf. And now, here's another one that I made, one of my first one, and I created this one. And this is advertising Traffic Monsoon, Four Corners, and Lead Lightning. You can do the same thing. I just have fun doing this. Let's go up here and create one right quick. Okay, we're going to, say click here to make a copy. We don't want to go there. Let's go back over here, go to subdomain, and then manage subdomains. Okay, we went to manage websites, then manage subdomains. You have to have a domain first of all. And you get that by joining the system, joining Power Lead system. My domain is Market with Marlon. And whatever I've put in front of here, I'm creating a subdomain. Okay, let's put in Power Lead system. And we're going to create it. Click Create. Now, it says Very important. Never use a www in front of you. Okay. Something went wrong. Maybe I already have a subdomain that's called Power Lead System. Let's do another one. Lead Lightning 2. Okay, let's create one. See if that one goes through. So that one went through. So let's go to websites again. Okay, here's the subdomain I just created, and right here say become a prospect for whatever I want. You could use that. You can become a free lead system forever member, but we want to leave it at become a prospect for whatever I want. And right here say choose your landing page, and once you get here you have instructional videos that will take you through what I'm taking you through right now. It will teach you how to create your own lead capture page and sales page. Okay, we are choosing a landing page right now, a capture page, whatever you want to call it. Let's do the Traffic Monsoon Power Lead System and Traffic Authority. We don't want that one. Okay, Traffic Monsoon Sales Funnel. We don't want that one. Let's just click on that and see what it looks like. This is what that page look like. I don't want that one. We're going to go back. Websites. Let's go down. I haven't ever used this one. I don't want to use that one because I'm not using Empower Network. Four Corners Power Lead System, Traffic Monsoon Water Capture by Robert Fraser. We're going to choose something right quick so we can just show you an illustration of how we create these websites. Let me choose this one right here. I think I want to choose this one right. No, I'm going to choose this one right here. And right here you can choose create the page to for a person to put in their email address, their name and email address, or name, email, and phone number. Most people don't like to put in a lot of information, so we normally just choose for email address. Let's view this. Well, we're going to just go on and choose it and go down to the bottom and click Save My Choice. Now, we just created a capture page. Now we want to choose a sales page. So we're going to go down. We're going to choose a page. After people put their information in, you want a video or something to come up to sell them on what you are promoting. Let me see. I think I would do the sales page funnel version. Let's do this one right here. This is a hangout. Let's use this one right here. And then we're going to go down to the bottom and we're going to save my choice. So I said my subdomain would be Lead Lightning 2. So the funnel, this is the autoresponder. You have many of them, but the system by default will put in the best one for you. All of these are sales funnels, but we're going to leave it just like that because the system knows better than me about what autoresponder to use. This is the funnel. This is the autoresponder that will go out to the people that sign up on your page or sign up for more information. Let's say I choose this campaign. Okay, this is my link, so it would be your link if you go through the steps of creating your own capture page and sales funnel. This is what it looked like right here. Need fresh lead, and so a person will put it in their email address. Let's just put in a fake one just to see how it works. Yes, let me in. Okay, we're gonna say that we're not a robot. We're gonna type the code in and we're gonna submit. And voila, there it is. This is what folks will see from this very sales page and capture page that we just created. And once they click on watch the next video or start my free trial, then this represents you. If you have bought into Lead Lightning or Power Lead System, this is representing you. This is promoting your business. This is letting them know that you are promoting Power Lead System. And you can join up today with $7 one-time fee for Lead Lightning. And later on, you can upgrade to the Power Lead System Gold membership. But we do this through a system that we call the Broke Man's Plan, and we do it with Traffic Monsoon, Power Lead System, and Four Corners. But you want to just get started right now, sign up from the link below in the lead capture page that I will put there, and I will be your mentor. I will be your sponsor. Contact me, and let's do this together. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and I love making these YouTube videos to let people know that I am being successful in promoting my primary business through Power Lead System, and I am making that income, not the desired income that I want to make, but I'm on my way, and you can do the same thing. Click on the link below. Let's get you started. Contact me by email or phone, and we can help you out. And I must say bye-bye for now. Have a good day or night.